Tesla owns and operates 1,101 supercharger stations in North America, 592 in Europe, and 498 in the Asia-Pacific region. Superchargers can charge 200 miles in just 15 minutes and are convenient for long road trips or quick charging needs. So we are on our way right now to a supercharger. So this is going to be the first time ever that we are going to supercharge our car. So we typically just charge right now at home and have never used a charger, even if it's not a supercharger, outside of our charger at our house. So right now we're at 61 miles and we've never actually let it get this low either. So we're definitely eager to charge it up, but we're gonna go to a charger that's next to a Target so that we can charge, see how fast it charges, and then also run into Target while we're there. Now we have made it to the supercharger and we're at 42 miles, so we definitely need a charge. There's already, I think, 3 other Teslas here, so there's 12 charging stations total, and then 3 are already taken up, so we're taking a 4th. So it's a little busier than I expected since it is, I guess it's Saturday, like midday, but a little bit busier than we were thinking it would be, but that's totally fine. So now we're gonna see how this thing works. So all we really had to do was come over here, take the charger, and then just plug it into the car, and then you're just ready to go. So this is super simple and honestly easier than I thought it was going to be, and now the car is just getting ready and charging. So then it also charges you here at the bottom, so you can see exactly how much it's going to cost. So you don't actually have to put in anything on the actual charger itself outside, it's just charging you on the back end. So right now, all we typically do is charge at home on just a standard outlet, which I wouldn't really advise, but we just do that because currently we're renting and we actually just purchased a house. So we're about to install a 240 volt in our new house. But on our actual just like regular outlet right now, we're getting 6 miles per hour. And then this one here is doing 600 around miles per hour. So almost 100 times what we're getting in our regular outlet, which is just insane. Wait, you can either like go into another store or you can also play games on the Tesla, which is really cool. So I'm just gonna show you a couple of the ones that they have available right now. Try out this beach buggy racing game just so you guys can take a look at it. So it pops up on the main screen, and then you're also able to use the actual steering wheel in order to steer the game as well, which is so cool. This game seems to mimic like Mario Kart, and it just has like the same kind of feel, but I guess just the Tesla version of it. You can play single player or double player, pick your avatar, and then also pick which track you want to play as well. So this is just like a great thing to do while you are waiting for your Tesla to charge, and then if it's not a supercharger and you have to wait even longer, then you'll definitely want to be able to like pass some time by playing some games or watching YouTube or Netflix. So right now we are charging. It says that there are 35 minutes remaining. Right now we're already at 90 miles, and then it's charging 613 miles per hour. That is just craziness. So as more people start hopping on the chargers, it actually does charge slower. So when we first got here, there were only 3 other cars, and so it was charging really fast. And then like a few minutes later, we had a couple more cars hop on, and then it started charging slower. Also, as you start to have higher mileage, it also starts to charge slower, so towards the end of the charge. But here it's been pretty good. It's only taken about like 40 minutes to charge total, which is really, really awesome. And we honestly just walked over to Target, ran a few errands, and then now we're back and it's almost done. In our area alone, there are 4 superchargers, and there are also 4 other chargers that you can use that aren't superchargers. So I have never actually seen them all full. There are a lot of people here today at this supercharger, so I will say that it is pretty busy, but in no means is it actually full. And then none of the other chargers are full either. I just checked on the app. Most of them are using around like 4 Teslas are there at one time, so not super bad in this area. Here's a breakdown of what we spent. So we charged 261 miles, which cost us $14.22. An average car's miles per gallon is 25. The average cost of gas in my area is $2.50. So I divided 261 by 25 to get 10.44, and then multiplied that by the $2.50 to get a total cost of $26.10 for 261 miles in a standard car with gas. This makes the supercharging in this scenario still cheaper than an average gas-powered car. Also, it is 45.5% cheaper to go with the Tesla than it is to go with the standard car. So we charged up to 300 miles, and it also charged us $14.22, which isn't bad at all. We were able to run it to Target and then also just like run a few errands, which was really nice. I would honestly take this experience over going to a gas station any day. It was so much better than doing that. So honestly, it was a pretty good first time using the supercharger. It was really easy, and I mean, I feel really confident that I can do it again, and I can do it alone, and it's not creepy like the gas station can sometimes be. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please give me a like below if you enjoyed this video. Also, feel free to check out my Tesla Model 3 1-month review. I will link that above, and then also link it in the description below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.